Alright, what's up guys? This is another video, the Fireworks Superstore, 500 gram section. I think we are on the second or third video now, so this should be the fourth one, I believe. I still gotta upload the third one, I think. Getting ahead of myself. But yeah, I just want to get you guys a little look at the along this back wall here. They got some quality packs basically back here. We got Magnus right here, 4 cakes in one for $119. Cakes you get in there are Time to Honor, it's a 9-shot. Lucky One, 9-shot. Pyro Envy, 9-shot. And then Own It, 9-shot. Which, I mean, I don't have to tell you guys, a 9-shot usually means bigger breaks. But there's that one. There's this one right here, All Color No Crackle, full color spectrum, I'm sorry. 2,000 grams of powder, total 144 shots. And this one is 150 for 4. And in this you'll get Polar Light Show, 36 shot. Motley Hued, 36 shot. Goldfish and Gumdrops, 36 shot. And then that's kind of messed up, so I'm going to read this one. Psychedelic Experience, 36 shot. 150 bucks. We got a Willow Finale pack down here. And I don't see a price on it, but 2 Willow cakes. Yep, there's no price on it. Redneck Survival Kit by Magnus. It's $100 for 3 cakes. Cakes you're gonna get are duct tape, WD-44, and ice cold beer. $100, 3 cakes. Another pack here from Magnus, Storm Area 51. They can't stop all of us. Let's see them aliens in Naruto Run. That is an alien doing the Naruto Run. Each of them are 22 shots. It's 90 bucks. That's a good one. You gotta capitalize on that stuff. Alright, Magnus, I see you. Weekend at the Lake. We got Fire Up the Grill, Crack Open a Cold One, and Hit the Water. $80, yes. And they're all 16 shots. And over here we got Power Trip. Got $100 for Neon Jungle, Glow City, Pixel Island. 3 9-shot cakes. Not bad, not bad. Got Universe Series right here by Miracle Fireworks. $129. You get Mars, Mercury, and Earth. Looking for a shot count. I don't see one. 129 bucks for 3 cakes. What we got over here? Yeah, they got a whole bunch of Boom Wow stuff to unbox. Clearly. Make our way over here. Back wall's kind of empty right now. Like I said, they got to unbox a bunch of stuff. All I need is football for my dog. Okay. $31.99. 30 shots. Keep making our way over here. $22.99. American Honey. 25 shots. Magnus Fireworks. Right here we got Hot Stuff, $27.99 by Magnus, 26 shots. You got plenty of these. Oh God, I'm gonna try to. Is it peony? Yeah, I'm gonna butcher it every time I say it. I feel like it is $34.99, 25 shots. Zigzag. Mega Red in mine. Zigzag. $34.99. Yes, I avoided saying it. Got 60-second plus. 48 shots. $40 by Magnus. Amazing Pyro. $119 for 228 shots. Some sort of finale cake. Looks kind of like Amazing Ballet by Winda. It's all flashy. 1 minute more. 48 shots. $40 by Magnus. Nothing But Nishiki by Magnus. $41. Nice little tube rack. Got Neon Jungle. 9 shot by Magnus. $33.99. Hit the Jackpot by Magnus. $26.99. 24 shots. Summer Cocktail. Plenty of them. Yes, sirree. $35.99. 25 shots. Again with Magnus. Stoned to the Bone. There you go. 16 shots. $34.99. Pyro Envy. $31.99. Magnus Fireworks. We got Gold Fingers up there by Pyro Planet. 16 shots, $26.99. Power Up, Pyro Planet. We got $26.99. They're all up there. I only got one down here. 20 shots. Power Up. The Sound of Color. 9 shots. $27.99. Fan Favorite. $79.99 for... How many shots is that? That looks decent. 52 shots. The shells are a little smaller. Shells, tubes, duh. Trifecta. 25 shots. $30. Pyro Planet. Noisy Boys. Yep. Always are. Always have been. 16 shots. $28. Tangerine Dream. Pyro Planet. 16 shots. $24. Carbon Copy. $40. I think that's a 9 shot. Yep, it's a 9 shot. Solid Gold. $34.99 by Power Planet. 30 shots. Got Rising Dragon. 30 shots. $34. Unhinged by Pyro Planet. Plenty of them. $80. And it is 193 shots. Super Colossal, 160 shots, $70. Pyro Planet. And then last over here is Boogeyman, 123 shots, $60. Pyro Planet again. Whole bunch of fun. Whole bunch of fun. That'll kind of conclude this back wall section over here. Some little packs over there, and then a bunch of Pyro Planet stuff over here. But I think we're up to over 50 subscribers now. So to the, as I like to say, the tens of people that followed our stuff, thank you again. I think we have over 4,000 views on our quality garbage, as I like to say to my friends and family. But I mean, the more you guys show love, I mean, the more I'm going to keep doing this. I will get you whatever you guys want to get. You know, I have no problem filming every single cake in here if I have to. So my goal with this whole entire thing is to kind of bring fireworks to people that either can't afford it or think that they're too dangerous, because fireworks are only as dangerous as the people that handle them. So believe me, I live in Illinois. Fireworks are basically outlawed. So like I said, I appreciate you guys a lot, and we'll see you in the next one.